January 6, 2023, and I think I've put out one post already this year. It was the Sportster, and I'm bringing you today a banger. This is a Sondors Fold X. Bought it used off of Facebook Marketplace. We're going to take a look at it by just riding it down the road today. Let's see how it handles. This is Ride to the Sun, and I'm Andre. Welcome. This is a hill we're about to climb. So let's see how we do that. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, I did not shift. Let this truck go by. All right, we're on one of the lowest gears. All right, 5 miles per hour with assist 1. Let's try assist 2. Okay, starting to feel a little burn. Hit assist 3. She's working. Looks like I lost a tick off my battery meter from all the riding, not just the hill. Okay, this is awesome. Oh, on level 4, did it shift or did I shift? Did it shift for me? It's on 4, and it's just eating up this hill. Yeah, it's dogging this hill. I'm pretty much okay. When I stop pedaling, it stops. Oh, you went too far. It changed gear for me. Oh, wow. I did not change the gear. Am I lying? Comment on is this thing changing gears for you? When it runs into, let's see if it goes down when I don't have as much. Oh, wow. 14 miles per hour. I'm on top of the hill now. 16, it picked up. Does it shift back down for me? Oh, wow. This is sweet. Sweet baby Jesus. This is nice. 17 miles per hour. It's doing its thing. Okay, another low hill. Let's see if it eats it up like sardines. Okay, all right. I don't know why I thought of sardines. Let's go. All right, so it's not unbearably cold. It's actually really nice. With my hair, my raffle hats. By the way, these raffle hats are the bomb. If you road cycle, you probably know about raffle. It's one of my favorite companies. They use great materials. Lots of research goes into their gear with top level riders, fast time riders. So they do great stuff, great materials. So between them, Rafa and Castelli, that's what I have mostly in my work cycling gear. Mostly Rafa. They're expensive, but it's worth it. Well, I came here without any problem. I'm a couple miles away from home. Come to enjoy the water. It's gorgeous. It's a beautiful day. Sun's shining. It's a few days before my 50th. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is just beautiful. Talk about perfect timing. Gorgeous. So get out and enjoy your day. What a beautiful, gorgeous day. It's a little chillier than it was the past few days. It was in the 60s, so almost 70 the day last week in Central Virginia. So can't beat this weather. And for those of you who can't, well, or won't ride a road bike, maybe one of these Sondors Fold X. They make a smaller version. This one actually folds up. I actually bought it thinking maybe I might be able to take it with me when I travel, unfold it when I get there, and ride into the cities. So, but it's kind of heavy. It's, I think it's between 60 to 70 pounds. And you got to find a bag that it would fit in, right? Or risk getting it all banged up. So this is it. Probably see a profile of it. Probably not doing a good job. This is an impromptu video, so I think you might still enjoy it. I started to speak to folks that may want to ride this. I think as we get older, you know, any form of exercise is always good. So I think this particular bike, you know, if you don't want to go full road bike, full mountain bike, you know, you still pedal this thing. It has assistance 1 to 5, where I think 5 being the easiest level. So for this particular bike, why not take it out for a ride around your neighborhood, get in somewhat of a shape, and jump on your road bike. Maybe something to get you back in, or you're coming back from an injury, or you just want to ride around the neighborhood. This is a great little scooter. Or you want to take it to the beach, take it into the city when you get somewhere, or if you work somewhere in a city where you normally have to drive somewhere close to work and then take a cab or van pool or whatever, maybe that gets you closer. Or if you take the subway, or you want to take this into work, this is a great option. Or hell, if you're some parts in the world, this is your only vehicle. If you're in the city, you don't really need I know I'm doing a terrible job as being a cameraman today. Try to stay in the shot. This is a great option. Leg power and 120 power. You plug it in, a couple hours, it's charged up. Why not? Sondors, or you could pick one up. I picked this thing up a hell of a price on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm glad I did. So I want to go around the neighborhood, or if we go to the beach and I want to take it to the beach to ride around. It has those fat tires. That's good for the beach. Okay, I'm going to stop it and flip it. All right, let me get off the walkway, okay? People are walking by. Hey, you got that killer with you. Hey, killer. Don't kill me. You smell my dogs on me. What is it? What kind of dog is it?
Oh, I have no idea. Honestly.
You have no
It's
idea?
their dog.
Hey, how are you? Jump on him. All right, big guy. Don't hurt nobody. I'm telling my dogs about you. You try to attack me. Okay? What kind of dog is it?
He's a golden doodle, golden retriever, and a
Oh,
poodle.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, come on now, say don't do that.
He's blessing this thing. It's
Yeah.
okay.
How are you?
I'm good. You all have a good one. He's blessing this thing. It's okay. All right, folks. Wheels back. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's the neighborhood.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.